Hello, I'm Levent Berger, founder and CEO of Alta Bearing, and today I'd like to take you through our decision platform, Decision Foundry. As we all know, data is proliferating, and so are the solutions that go with it. Most of the solutions are in the descriptive analytics area, and we'd like to see if we can convince you that we can take a jump from descriptive analytics to prescriptive analytics in a few minutes. The big problem is what now? Having seen all the information, all the charts and dashboards, executives are now asking, what do we do now? Decision Foundry is a platform that instantly peer sources the answers to what do we do now. It is an on-demand advanced analytics platform that leverages descriptive data in software as a service BI platforms. And the idea is to drive optimal decisions for the field, starting from information as simple as an Excel spreadsheet or a data warehouse. I'd like to now take you to a typical case and show you how you can skip from descriptive analytics to prescriptive, solving a marketing support problem for the Coca-Cola bottlers. The question is where to place the marketing resources and what to expect in terms of revenue and volume. So we're discussing resources or resource decisions and expectations in terms of performance or actually budgets. Now, an analyst is charged with supporting executives, let's say. And this is what he or she faces. It's a single spreadsheet with territories, bottlers, some information about who owns the bottler, cases produced in the last quarter, and a breakdown of where those dollars came from channel vending machines to food stores, etc. And the items in blue are investments and expenses that went into producing the volume that was produced. So an analysis like this could take days and come up with various unsolved KPIs. It is very difficult to say that a certain territory or a certain bottler should spend this much and target so many cases and so much revenue in its operations. So in comes Decision Foundry. Decision Foundry is a simple platform where the analyst can pick through all the data as such, for example, add slotting fees to all the resources that are pushed into the territories, and demand cases and sales. It's just a click selection. I've already done it. And benchmark all of these territories within bottler groups. The only thing he has to do is hit optimize and get EPO results for territory performance benchmarks by bottler. Save, and it's in your download file. That download file can go to any visualization tool where instead of showing a lot of information, we deliver information like your sales is at 50,900 and your target should be 59,000. Or to show that average cases in bottler 2 are 18,595 and the target is 26,482, and so on. here is another view that indicates where those values, the target values, came from. Because this is a peer benchmarking system, instead of using averages, it uses an average of a few peers that are closest to the unit under investigation. And we can continue on reading from every point. This territory 792 belonging to bottler group 12 has an average efficiency of very low, 0.31. It's delivering 12,000 cases, and it should be delivering 42,000 cases, and its sales should be 129 instead of 41. Note that this is a dark red mark, and that is what it is. A more successful territory would have different results, average efficiency 88, and the difference between target and actual cases is only 20%. So this is Decision Foundry here, and it is possible to create models almost at will without getting too confused, focusing on where performance matters or any part of any process. So this is great for software as a business BI platforms where the data is already collected and the expectation is actionable decision making. Thank you very much.